When a single Redis node can no longer handle your data or traffic, sharding splits the key space across multiple nodes. In this video, you will learn how that works and what it means for your key design. Redis Cluster partitions all possible keys into 16,384 slots. Each node owns a range of slots, and your client uses a CRC16 hash of the key name to know exactly which node to talk to. The client hashes the key locally, consults its cached slot map, and sends the command straight to the owning node. If the map is stale, say after a rebalance, the node replies with a moved redirect, so the client can self-correct. Run cluster KEYSLOT on two plain keys, and you will likely get different slots. Wrap the shared part in curly braces as a hashtag, like curly brace, 1001 curly brace.user, and both keys hash to the identical slot, making multi-key operations legal. When reviewing code that runs against a Redis cluster, check for cross-slot commands first. They always fail at runtime. Also watch for keys on a single node or an overly broad hashtag that defeats the whole point of sharding. Sharding scales Redis horizontally, but it demands deliberate key design. Co-locate keys that must be operated on together using hashtags, keep those tags narrow, and your cluster will stay balanced under load.